Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for today. Wasinco Group has seen a continuous increase in its revenues and profits year over year. For the year ended June 30, 2024, revenues rose to $54.25 billion compared to $48.7 billion in the prior year. Net profits after tax increased to $5.19 billion. In its final quarter for the financial year 2024, Wasinco achieved a 12% revenue growth over the same period in the prior year, reaching the highest quarterly revenue ever recorded at $14.3 billion. Wasinco attributes the boost in revenues to two major expansions completed during the financial year, one in December 2023 and another near the end of March 2024. The final quarter reflected the positive results of these expansion efforts. With the first phase of expansion complete, including the installation of equipment and warehousing space, Wasinco is now better equipped to meet customer demands. In financial year 2025, the company expects to capitalize on the full benefits of these expansionary efforts. Now, still on Wasinco, the group is reporting that they successfully met summer demand following their recent expansion, which increased production capacity by 50%. The beverage manufacturer now aims to grow exports by at least 50% in the new financial year.
So we have a lot of capacity. We're meeting customers' needs. We have no out of stocks. This is the first time, in any summer for the last probably 5 years that we've been able to meet 100% of customers' needs at this time of year.
Chairman of Wasinco Group, William Mafood, also revealed that the company is still hiring for new roles, having already added 400 new employees from a recent job fair held in May. This hiring surge comes as the company embarks on its second phase of expansion. According to Mafood, over 1,000 people attended the job fair, which he attributes to the company's positive workplace culture.
Most of the people who attended our job fair already had jobs. What they were looking to do was to move from where they were to come and work with Wasinco, which says a lot about, the desirability of Wasinco from a job point of view. People view Wasinco in a very, very positive light, and so they say, well, we want to work at Wasinco because, the benefits and the culture, etc., etc.
And in response to customer complaints, Digicel and Flow have agreed to waive usage charges for customers whose services remain unrestored since Hurricane Beryl. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, confirmed the agreement in a media release. Flow, operated by Cable and Wireless Jamaica Limited and Columbus Communications Jamaica Limited, clarified that bills for customers without service since Hurricane Beryl should not include usage charges for the interruption period. Rental charges will be reversed once service is restored, and customers will not lose their numbers if they don't pay rental charges during the interruption. Flow also announced a one-time rebate for fixed service customers who experienced interruptions over 72 hours due to the hurricane. The rebate will be applied automatically after service restoration. Digicel, on the other hand, confirmed that bills for customers without service since Hurricane Beryl should not include usage charges, and postpaid, mobile, and Digicel Plus customers will receive rebates based on the number of days lost. Customers who had service prior to and after Hurricane Beryl will still be required to pay their bills in full. The OUR urges customers to monitor their bills and report any discrepancies to ensure the companies honor their commitments. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.